whether we hit our goal, whether we didn't hit our goal, who within this entire organization is bringing everyone together and getting them to march and operate in the same manner. Hi, my name's Devon. Today I own several multi-million-dollar companies. We started with $5,000 in a credit card. I don't know the easy way. I only know the hard way. Hey everyone, welcome to the Whiteboard Entrepreneur Podcast, where I give straightforward advice to fuel the entrepreneur in all of us. I'm Devon Dickinson. Today I want to talk to you guys about how being a great entrepreneur has nothing to do with having a great idea or an amazing product, but it has everything to do with your ability to execute a business plan, evolve a business plan, and operate your company. And most people don't understand this. They think being a great entrepreneur means that you come up with this idea that nobody else has ever had, and you take this idea or this product or this service to market, and then the world just bows down and buys, right? And they think that that's what it takes to be a great entrepreneur. I'm going to tell you that has never been my experience. As a matter of fact, I have seen so many great ideas and great business products and services, and even people that are very talented at doing what they do. They take their service and they offer it, and I just see things fail miserably. And it has nothing to do with the product. It could be awesome. You know, the software is amazing. It does things that nothing else ever has. But people they just are terrible at running and operating a business. And what does that mean? What does that mean for you specifically? Let's use the example that you're a software developer and you've come up with this amazing app. And you are so sure that people are going to use it, and you show everyone, you do a great pilot, everyone loves it, people think that's great, and they're really even willing to pay for it. Now, next thing you do, you go to market and you take it out there, and man, people are buying it. This is great. But now you've got to have a sales and marketing machine, and you don't actually know whether you're making money on, you're paying your people more than you're bringing in, right? Because you don't understand your numbers. Let's say all of a sudden you have to hire a bunch of developers and you have 8 different developers, but everyone's kind of coding. Now, if you're a developer, you understand this. Everyone's coding, but they're all kind of on different pages, and all the code they're writing is good, but it doesn't really fit the architecture of what you're trying to build, right? Next thing you know, you've got money coming in, but you've got more going out in development than you actually have in product or new product hitting the market. And now what's happened is you have this giant mess of a company. This developer hates this developer. Sales and marketing is selling stuff, but the margins aren't correct because they're cutting deals that they probably shouldn't have cut. And who's running it? Who's in charge of this? Who says no to that? Who fires this person? Who brings in that person? Who has the plan? Who tells them what the numbers need to be this quarter? Who tells them whether we hit our goal, whether we didn't hit our goal? Who within this entire organization is bringing everyone together and getting them to march and operate in the same manner, right? And we see this all the times in other areas like sports teams, right? Where they put together these amazing sports teams with great players, but terrible leadership, right? And entrepreneurialism is leadership, right? You have got to have a business plan. You've got to, when you hire people, they need to know what they're doing. They need to know whether they're succeeding. They need to know what the plan is. They need to know what they're working on, how it fits with everything else within the organization. You need to make sure that the pricing matches and all of these different things. And it has so little to do with the actual idea and the quality of your product or offering. And it has so much to do with the behind the scenes execution. And people don't understand this. I love to use the story of Amazon books. The reason I call it Amazon books, and you're going, no, what are you talking about? You mean Amazon? No, listen, it was Amazon books. It was Jeff Bezos selling books out of his garage. Again, probably the most mundane, boring business you could possibly imagine. All of a sudden he revolutionized it, and now he's selling them online. Well, great. So he's an online bookstore. How cool is that, right? Well, Barnes & Noble is going to crush them, right? Why would anyone buy books online, and how is he going to scale and evolve a company? Well, he had a plan. and he was a great operator, and he brought in great operators, and he built a business plan, and he evolved his business plan. And when competition came in, they changed, but they never had the best idea. All they are is basically Sears online. You say, what's Sears? Well, believe it or not, Sears and Roebuck used to be Amazon, but it was a catalog. They never evolved their business plan. Amazon just basically said, hey, if we can sell books online, I wonder if we can sell, I don't know, everything online. Do you mean to tell me that they're the only people that ever thought that? Like, come on, no. But they built a business plan, and they were great operators. If you want to be a great entrepreneur, it's not about you being great at your offering, or it's not about you need more R&D so that you can come up with this cool product, because once you have this cool product, everyone's going to buy it. No, it just doesn't work that way. That's not how business works. You can have the best product. You can have the coolest product. You can have the best offering. You could be the best at what you do and provide these amazing services. But if you're not a good operator, if you don't have a good business plan, that plan doesn't evolve, everyone within your organization isn't going the same way, listen, you're just going to have a good product, and that product, competition is going to come in and it's going to crush it, and you're going to be gone the next day. Like, listen, if you want to be a great entrepreneur, you have to be a great operator. I'm Devon. This is Whiteboard Entrepreneur. I hope this helps. Take a quick moment and hit that subscribe button for more content.